こんにちは、元気ですか? Today we will learn first 5 consonants and the K line and the Dakuten sounds. In our previous lesson, we studied the first 5 letters, a, I, U, E, O, which are vowel sounds. Today we're going to study consonants. So look at this chart. These are all consonants. Today we're going to study K-line consonants. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, and voiced K-line consonants. Take a look at this chart quickly. So notice how the Japanese consonants are always influenced by the following vowels. Japanese considered a vowel-centric language, which means even when consonants are spoken, they shift towards vowel sound. So let's take a look at the consonants under K line, kagyo. So when you prolong these consonants under kagyo, you end up actually hearing the vowel sounds. So please listen to the concealed vowel sounds as I say it. Ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, ke, ko, ko. Did you hear the vowel sounds? So all these 5 characters have the same consonants group which belongs to k sound. And each character comes with the vowel sound that comes with it. So yes, the Japanese sounds are always made with a consonant plus a vowel, except the last one. Let's practice reading Kagyo Hiragana. You don't need to aspirate too much like ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, but just say softly ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. So let's start from the first one. So this is the first one. Please repeat after me. Ka, ka, ka. Now, do you remember I said genki desu ka in the beginning of this lesson? Ka is a question marking particle. So whenever you hear ka at the end, that means it's a question sentence. Next one, ki, ki, ki. This is ku, ku, ku. Ke, ke, ke. Last one, ko, ko, ko. いいですね。Okay, are you ready to read my cards? Let's start. Ke, ki, ku, ko, ka, ku. 2 more. Ke. Last one. Ki. できましたか? Okay, so far we have studied 10 hiragana letters. A, I, U, E, O, which are 5 vowels, and ka, ki, ku, ke, ko under kagyo. Now, in Now I'd like to introduce a new feature called Dakuten, which will give you additional new sounds to the original 46 sounds. Okay, Dakuten is one of the diacritical marks which make unvoiced sound to voiced sound. And it looks like this. It consists of a pair of short diagonal strokes. And it looks similar to an ending quotation mark in English, and it is placed upper right corner of the character. When Dakuten mark is added to a hiragana, it changes an unvoiced consonant like k, k into a voiced consonant like g, g. With the letter ka, the sound transforms into ga. So this rule applies to all 5 hiragana under k consonants. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. With Dakuten, they will become ga, gi, gu, ge, go. And again, you place the Dakuten mark upper right corner of the character. The Dakuten mark can be added to these 4 hiragana lines, kagyo, sagyo, tagyo, hagyo, creating 20 new sounds alongside the original ones. But for today, we will just focus on kagyo in this lesson. Okay, let's read some Japanese words. Okay, let me pick these 2 letters. はい、読んでください。赤 and it means red. Now, do you remember the color blue in Japanese? Yep, that's ao. So now you know 2 colors in Japanese. About these 2. Please read. 読んでください。そうです。秋 and it means autumn, one of the 4 seasons Japan has. How about this one? Please read. はい。柿 Kaki can mean either persimmons or kaki, oyster, depending on the pronunciation. So kaki for persimmons, kaki for oysters. Both are delicious. All right, how about this one? 読んでください。顔 It means face. はい、それではこのひらがなとこのひらがな読んでください。鍵 and it means keys. Try these two. 読んでください。劇 It means theater. How about these two? 読んでください。家具 家具 means furniture. Right, how about this one and this one and this one? 読んでください。笑顔 and then that means smile. Well, good job reading Japanese words. Now let's figure out some one hiragana words from these 2 lines. The first one, ka, is a question marker, but it also means mosquito. Ka. And the next one, ki, It means tree. And how about this one? Have you played this game? Go is go. Today, we learned 5 consonants and 5 diacritical voiced consonants. In our next lesson, we will study how to write them. So thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss our next exciting lesson. Until then, さよなら。ありがとう。